I am thrilled to introduce you to this new Benq SW272U 4K 27-inch monitor, photographer monitor. I've had several monitors, Benq monitors, and it's fun to see how they manage to improve them through the years. And especially this one, this new member of the SW series. So here it is, delivered in a nice large box to ensure that it gets to you safely. Here are the main features at a glance. In terms of color gamut, it offers 99% coverage of Adobe RGB, DCI P3, and Display P3. Additionally, the PhotoView SW272U and SW272Q are Pantone validated, as well as Pantone Skin Tone and Calman validated. Right now, if I had to choose a 27-inch 4K monitor, it would be the SW272U. This monitor's wide color space coverage brings out the best in my work, making it look exactly as I envision it and delivering accurate colors to my creations each time. With Gamut Duo, I can compare the same image in two color gamuts side by side, giving me total control over my photo edits. Now let's talk about the magic of the fine coated panel. They minimized even more the glares and reflections compared to the SW271C. Now I can focus on my art without distractions. Consistency is key, and with Benq's uniformity technology, I get consistent color accuracy and brightness across the entire panel. Fine-tuning colors has never been easier with Palette Master Ultimate software. Just 3 simple steps, and I achieved the optimal color consistency. They made it easier to understand, and it calibrates your monitor faster than ever before. A quick tip for my fellow Mac users: disable the True Tone color function for the best calibration results. One feature, one improvement I was hoping for: no more tangled cables with the Hotkey Puck G3. It is finally wireless. With the new handle at the back of the screen, I might make the switch and finally bring this one on location instead of the SW271C. When you purchase this monitor, you get Pantone Connect Premium for a whole year. I cannot dive into this as I will not use this app personally, but I had to mention it. I really encourage you to check out BenQ's website as so many new features make this monitor a no-brainer for many creators, photographers, and filmmakers out there. Mine even has my name on it. That's sweet. I've been playing with this monitor for some time now, so if you have any questions, you have the comments below, or you can send me a message here on Instagram. You know how to reach out. I can even hook you up on a little discount. Yeah. So my friends, if you are looking for a brand new 27-inch 4K monitor that will elevate your work, this one might be it. By the way, there is also the Benq SW272U, the 2K version of this monitor that is much more budget friendly. Check it out on their website. I really hope you are having a fantastic summer. I will take a short little break in mid-August. Really short, but don't go away yet. I will still post 1 or 2 videos before I leave. So I guess that I will catch you in the next one. Take care, and until then, have a good one.